Hello students, welcome back to class. Today we are going to continue the remaining part of a graphical user interface and operating system with a new topic, exploring Windows. First is about introduction. Windows is a graphical user interface based operating system. Means Windows is a menu based operating system. It manages the entire configuration of a computer system. This operating system allows the running of multiple applications simultaneously. Means it is a multitasking operating system. Some of the elements of Windows are: first one, desktop. A desktop represents the office desk where all the necessary papers and stationery required for the work are kept. It is the screen, it is the display screen where icons appears. It is the first screen of the Windows which is seen after the booting of a computer system. Second one is about taskbar. The bar at the bottom of the desktop is known as the taskbar. It contains the start button and the icons of the documents and programs which are running. It also displays the sound option and the clock. By default, the taskbar is located at the bottom of the desktop screen. Next topic is about components of desktop. In that, first one, icons. Icons are graphical representation of softwares, tools, files and folders that help users to perform tasks on the computer. These symbols appear on the desktop after booting. The icons can be categorized as: first one, system icons. Example, computer, control panel, recycle bin. Second one, application icons. Example, MS Word, MS Paint, MS PowerPoint. Third one, document icons. Example, Word document, workbooks. Here, first one is about system icons. These icons are available on the desktop when a user first starts Windows. They assist the user in performing tasks by double-clicking the relevant icons. In that, first one is computer. It is one of the most important icons that shows all the contents of a computer system. On the right side, it shows the details of the drives like the number of drives, the storage capacity of each drive and also the removable disk. Second type of system icon is control panel. This panel controls the entire configuration of a computer system. It contains a number of system and utility programs which help in arranging the hardware and software settings. In other words, control panel is the central command of a computer system from where you can control all your peripheral devices like settings, adding or removing the programs, etc. Third one is recycle bin. Windows has provided a trash can to keep all the deleted items. When objects are deleted from the system, they go to the trash can known as the recycle bin. Windows keeps 10% space of the hard disk for the recycle bin. All the deleted items remains in the recycle bin until the bin is emptied. Second type of icon is application icons. These icons represent application softwares. They help run the applications directly from the desktop. This is done just by double-clicking the icons. Example, MS Word, QBasic, VLC Media Player, etc. Third type of icon is document icons. These icons help run any document directly from the desktop. They save the time required to look for a particular document in folder or in drives. Next topic is about window. The window is a rectangular area and an essential component where the users run their applications or documents. The windows can be minimized or maximized. The types of windows are: first one, application window; second one, document window; third one, active window; fourth one, dialog window. First type of window is application window. It is the primary window of an application where a user can work. This window contains the title bar, the ribbon work area and the quick access toolbar. Through the user can open several applications at the same time, but there is only one window remains active at a time. Second type of window is document window. It refers to the window of the document where the user is working. The document window is available only on an application window. Thus, document window is a subset of application window. The various documents are opened. Each document window will have its own title bar. The third type of window is active window. The window on which a user is working is the active window. Several windows of various applications can be opened on the computer screen at a time, but the user can only work on the active window. The title bar of an active window is always darker than the other application windows. Fourth type of window is dialog window. It is a temporary window within an application requesting for the user's input. Generally, default settings are defined for every application. However, it can be modified as per the user's need. Last topic is about title bar. The topmost horizontal bar of any application or document window is called the title bar. It displays the name of the active document. The title bar of the active window is darker than the other part of the window. Thank you. Have a nice day.